Hey guys, in this video I'll give you a basic guide to solve CrossMath puzzles on Matiks. Basically I'll give you an approach to solve them, how I approach them. So let's go. I'm going puzzles and I'll go for endless CrossMath puzzle. So let's start. So the first ones will be pretty basics. So 6 divided by 3, 24. So 4 into 8. Then here will be 22 and 8. Next we'll have 52. Here will be 9 and 12. Okay, so now we'll come to this one. So always look for division and multiplication first. Always look for division, and if it is not there, look for multiplication. So here I can find 5 and 9. So I have to find the correct order in which I have to place them. So if I put 5 here, 5 into 9, I'll get 10 here, and I also get 10 here. So I'll get 5 into 9, 10 and 10. Yep. Okay, always look for division. So the only pair, actually I can find two pairs here, that is 6 divided by 2 and 18 divided by 6. So if I see here, yeah, I think I'll put 18 divided by 6 and then 18 into 2, 2 into 9. Yes. So you in this endless crossmath puzzle, I can't put on the numbers here randomly. So but in the game you can put and check. So I'll get 18 into divided by 6, 2 and 9. Yep. Yeah, always look for division. So it will be 24 divided by a is equal to 2. So 12, then 8, 27 and 8, 19 and then 11. Yeah, look here, 3 plus 3 into dash is 21. So here it will be 6. And you can look here, 73 minus 43 and then 17. Okay. Yep, look here in this one. So 14 plus 44. And then check in this one, guys. So always if you find this kind of when the equation has both division and multiplication, try to do that, because it gives about the factors of the number which we have to find, that is 132 here. So we get here that a divided by b is equal to 3. So the only pair I find is 15, 5 and 7. Yep. And this in this one, yeah, look for that multiplication and division pattern. So here it will be 4 into 4, and here it will be 124. So 18, and if it will take it that side, it will be 45. So 5 and then 9. Yeah, look here, 21 and 20. And 10 divided by, we only find 2 here. We do not have 5, so we'll get 2. 5 into then 7 and 12 and 15 and 16. Yep. Then 20 plus, we get 5 here. 9 plus 9, and then 13 plus 30 minus 13, that is 17. And we get a multiple of 8, that is 40, and then 5. Okay, so in this one we get that pattern, division multiplication. So 7 into, we get 9. And then yeah, we can find the multiple of 42. That is the only multiple of 42 that I can find here is 840. So it will be 840. It goes 20 times. So 20 minus 9 is 11. And 840 divided by 42 is 20. So I can't put that there. Yep. So again we'll look here. 11 plus a minus b is equal to minus 24. So if we take it that side, a minus b is equal to minus 35. So I look for pairs a minus b equals to minus 35, and I only find one pair, that is 7 minus 42, and we have 15. Yep. Okay, now in this type also look for always for division. When there is division and addition in the same line, always look for division again. So we find a divided by b equals to 3. So I can find two pairs here, that is 15 divided by 5 and 12 divided by 4. Okay, so if I put 15 here, then it will be 22 on the other side, whereas if I get 12 here, you can see in this column, if I put 15, it will be 22. So I can't put a 5 multiple of 5. So here I'll be putting 12, 4, and then 12 goes 25, and then I get 5. 15 into 15, that is a square. 29 plus 9, and then 17. Okay, So we find one, that is 153 divided by, the only multiple divisor of 153 I found is 51, that is 3, so it will be 15 here. Then only multiple of 15 I find here is 120. Now we'll have two options. We can put either 10 or 15. So if I put 10, then will be 12 plus dash equals 26. We have 14. If I put 8, if I put 15, we'll have 8. So we'll have to put 18, but we can't put. So here we'll be putting 10, 12, then 14, and this is 65 minus 10, and then 15. Yep. Okay. This when we get big numbers, always try to look for smaller numbers. Always try to look for numbers that you know, and you know the divisors. So basically I here know that 51 into 7 is 357. Basically you can calculate it in your head. So 51 into 7, we have 357, then 7 minus 7, it will be 0. Then we have look for here division. So we have to find 3. Only get 3 by 6 divided by 2, and then yeah. Okay, so we need to find, yeah, here you see dash a minus, we get 10 here, so we did not have to calculate much, so we get automatic 11 here, the 17 and 10. So you see that we did not have to find this 3570 divided by 2. There we may find smaller numbers as well, through which we can get at the answers of the equation. 11. Okay, so next one, yeah. Okay, so this one I know, 14 times 8 is 14 times 8 is 112. So it will be 14, 8 plus 6 here. Okay, then there can be, I can't put 6 into 5 can 6 into 5 can be there, 6 into 6 cannot be there. Because of that we'll have to find 12, and also 6 into 4 can also not be there. So we'll go 6 into 5, then we get 18, and yeah, we get this pattern, a divided by b equals to 5. So we get 20 sorry, I messed that up. Okay, so I actually messed that up. So I started again and did to 15 questions. We can find more ones there. So yeah. Okay, so I'll get dash divided by 10 into something. So I have two options, 10, 100 or 70, but I see there we have 63 and we have multiplication. So I know there will be 7 into 9, so it will be 79. And then here again we get 4 into a divided by b is equal to 8. So we get 2 here. So only option I can see is 42 divided by 21. And then here you see we get 8 into 42 equals to 210, so it will be 5, and then we have 100, and then 5 again. Okay, this one is a good one. Okay, so I look here, a into b is equal to 15. So I know I have 3 into 5 here. So 3 into 5, so if I take 3 that side, it will be 61, and I can form 61 by putting in 70 here and 10, and yes, and if we put 5 here, you will have to do it something more, you have to do more in your head for this type of, because we have two types of, and no information is, very limited information is given to us. So if we get 5 here, so it will be 59, that a minus b equals to 59, and we don't find any pair where like 70 minus 11. So we'll do 3, 5, and then we have 61 here, so 70 minus 9, and then I have 70 divided by 7, so 10 plus 6, yeah, so 7, 6, and we have then 4, and then 30. Yeah, you'll have to do it, and you will eventually be able to do it with practice. So yeah, here you see we get that pattern of division as well as multiplication. So I know that there will be some number here and some number here, so it can be 2 into 3. So I can see 2 here, so it was guaranteed that 2 is here, and I see 40 is formed, so we get 5 here, and then we have to find 3 here. So the only combination I can find is 60 divided by 20. Yeah, 60 divided by 20, and multiple of 20 we have is 200. So 10 minus 8 get 12, so it was 13, and then 17. Yeah, this is also pretty good question, I think. Yep. So I'll have to look for division again. So what I can see is yeah. So in this column you will be able to see that we are getting something, some number is there a, and some number from will come from these, that is b. So a plus b equals to 100. So we can find that from the given options of numbers we have, then 95 plus 5 can be one of them. So if I do, I think this will be 95, yeah, and then we have to get 5 in here. 5 will only be able to get 25 divided by 5, yeah, 25 divided by 5, yes. Then we get 9, so 9 we can get 54 divided by 6, 9, yeah, 54 divided by 6. And yeah, so 95 divided by only factor of 95 I can find is 19. So 5 plus 6, 6 and then it will be 5 and then 8, yeah. Okay, this one is also pretty good question. Unlike that one which gave us a hint, this does not give us a hint. Okay. Okay, so I think we can get. Okay, so this one may actually give us a hint because we have dash plus, we have a plus b type of pattern in here. So if we get, but we can't put an 18 in here. So we can get for 10 here because 10 plus and then 80 can be here. So we can get 8 into 10 option here. 8 into 10, I think. 8 into 10, yeah. If we put 10 here, then 8 into 10 I think should be good to go. 10 into 8. We can't put 10 here. We have to put 8. Yes, I think 8, yeah. And then 10. Okay, so we get 88 plus 5, yes. And now for these two numbers we'll have to look for a divided by b equals to 4. So we get 6 here and then 24, 19 plus 6, 7, yeah. That was a pretty good question. Okay, we have another one good question. Okay, I think I can find one hint from this one, division and multiplication. Yeah, I have to find the factor of 360. So we can get 40, we can get 40, we can get 90. If I get 90 here, then I'll have 4 here. So the only option I'll be getting is 20 divided by 5 for 4 and 14 to 90, yeah. So then I'll have to get 4 here as well. I think it should work. 90, let's see, because other combinations aren't working because 40 divided by 10 and other things are not working. So we get 90 and we have to get 4 in here. So only way I can find two ways, but since we have in this sum and 24 is coming, 20 divided by 5, and this we'll have to get 4 in here, yes. So okay, it will be 14 and 10, and in here 90 divided by only 9 is there, so 10 plus 9, 19 plus 20 and 11, yep. That was also a pretty good question. Okay, so this one is also, and yeah. Okay, so I have to find again for some multiplication cues. Okay, so in this one the only I can find the alternative is to go for 2 here, so 17 comes here. So 17 plus a divided by b is equal to 90. So I can find actually two pairs in here. Okay, so 17 will come here for sure. Yeah, then we have a minus b equals to minus 12. So I can get a minus b equals to minus 12 by 16 and 4 only, I think. Yep, 16 and 4. So it will be 4, 16, 16, and yeah, so it still gives us two options for 17 divided by, if I do 160 divided by 80, 80 divided by, I get 10 plus 2, 2 I can do. I will not get 3, but basically I need 5 and 10 here. 5 into 10 I need here. If I do 160 divided by 80, I think it's, yeah, 160, because in this column we have 168. So yeah, we have to do 160 divided by 80, and then we got 8 here, so 8. Then the only combination is 10 minus 2. Yeah, 10, yeah, 10 minus 2, so it will be 8 into 16, and then 5. Yeah, that was, I think that was the toughest we have ever done in this session. So yeah, this one is also, I think, pretty good, because mm, what I think will come here is 8, then 90 divided by 9. So okay, so I'll start from here, that a plus b divided by c equals to 18. So I think this should work. 8 plus 10, 90 divided by 9. Yes, then we have the only multiple, actually we have two multiples, that is 90 and 18. So we have to go with 90, because then it will be 17 there. So 90 and then 17. Yeah, and then we find a multiple of 8 there, so 40. 5 plus 18, 35 plus 5 and 9. Yep, that was done. So I think I have covered like majorly all types of questions from easy to hard. I hope you find my explanation helpful, and it will help you to do get better in your approach. So thank you.